Your Excellency Paul Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda, and First Lady Jeannette Kagame, Your Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, Heads of Delegations, Heads of International Organizations, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to extend a warm welcome to you all to the national ceremony marking the 30th commemoration of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. We extend our deepest gratitude for your presence here. Your solidarity in this moment of commemoration honors the memory of those we lost 30 years ago and reaffirms our collective commitment to ensure that such a tragedy doesn't happen again. I would like to recognize the leaders and friends, as well as distinguished guests who are with us in this arena for our Kwibuka 30. Son Excellence, le Président de la République du Congo. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of South Sudan and Chairperson of the East African Community. Son Excellence, le Président de la République centrafricaine. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of South Africa. His Excellency, the Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia and the First Lady. Son Excellence, le Président de la République de Madagascar et Madame la Première Dame. Son Excellence, le Président de la République islamique de Mauritanie et Président en exercice de l'Union africaine. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Mauritius and the First Lady. Her Excellency, the President of the United Republic of Tanzania. His Excellency, the President of the State of Israel. His Excellency, the President of the Czech Republic. The Right Honorable Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Lesotho. His Excellency, the former President of the United States of America, Mr. Bill Clinton. Son Excellence, Madame la Première Dame de la République de Guinée. Son Excellence, Madame la Vice-Présidente de la République du Bénin. Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda. Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Zambia. His Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of the Gambia. Her Excellency, the Speaker of the Assembly of the Republic of Mozambique. The Honorable Speaker of the House of Commons of Canada. Son Excellence, Madame la Première Ministre, excusez-moi, de la République togolaise. Son Excellence, Monsieur le Chef du gouvernement du Royaume du Maroc. Son Excellence, Monsieur le Premier ministre de la République gabonaise. His Excellency, the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Dr. Olusegun Obasanjo. His Excellency, the former President of the Republic of South Africa, Mr. Thabo Mbeki. His Excellency, the former President of the Federal Republic of Germany, Dr. Horst Köhler. Son Excellence, l'ancien président de la République française, Monsieur Nicolas Sarkozy. His Excellency, the former Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Mr. Haile Mariam Desalegn. Son Excellence, Monsieur le Président du Conseil européen. Son Excellence, Monsieur le Président de la Commission de l'Union africaine. The President of the African Development Bank, the Secretary General of the Commonwealth, Madame la Secrétaire Générale de la Francophonie, the Secretary General of the East African Community, the Director General of UNESCO. I would also like to recognize the countries that sent ministerial delegations as well as high-level representatives. Those are Algeria, Angola, Belgium, the Bahamas, Botswana, Canada, Chad, China, Comoros, Côte d'Ivoire, Denmark, Djibouti, Egypt, Equatorial Guinea, Eswatini, France, Guinea, India, the Republic of Korea, Mali, Malawi, the Netherlands, Qatar, Sao Tome and Principe, Serbia, Somalia, Sudan, Sweden, Turkey, the United Arab Emirates, and the United Kingdom. Thank you for standing with Rwanda today, for remembering with us, and for your continued support as we take this journey forward. Murakoze, je vous remercie. Thank you.